Hi there, I'm Yvonne DeZellis coming to you on my channel, Why Energy. Today's video is just going to be me showing you how to get rid of negative emotions. I wish I could show you how to get rid of whatever it is that's making you upset or angry or stressed, but unfortunately I cannot. I wish I could. By the way, I apologize in advance for disappearing limbs, but as you can see, my background is fuzzed, as are my fingers since I'm moving them. I apologize for that, but I'm hoping you'll be able to make do with what I'm about to show you. I'll say it and then I'll do it. Hopefully we can do this together, but you're going to be envisioning putting something in your hands, whatever it is that's bothering you, just envision it in your head, shrink it down, put it in your hands. And also last but not least, when you make the fist around what you're doing, either do it this way so that your fingernails aren't pointed directly in towards your hand, or curl your fingers so that your nails are up this way instead of in towards your hand. I don't want you to hurt yourself, because if you're really angry or really stressed, you might squeeze so hard that you cut your hands with your thumbs and your nails. I don't want you to hurt yourselves. So once again, just envision whatever it is that's bugging you, put it in your hands. Now, for the first part of this, we're going to be breathing in through the nose. So put whatever's bugging you in your hands. And now we're going to go out to the sides, up and over. So breathe in, swing your arms to the sides and bring them up overhead. And I'm just going to show you the throw down method. You can also do this slowly, but you're going to now breathe out as you do this and let go of what you have. So once again, you're taking whatever you have up and above, and you're going to throw it down, or you can very slowly bring it down. And when you get down to the bottom, let go of whatever it is you've just thought of. And then when you're done with that, just rub your hands together and shake them out to get rid of that negative energy. I hope you didn't need it, but I do hope that helped. And if you know anyone that can help, can you please share this with them? And as always, I thank you so much for your time. I'll be back in about a week. Take care of yourselves. Cheers, peace, and light. And I hope you'll be as well as possible. Take care. Thanks again. Bye-bye.